When we don't feel 100%, maybe we feel a little bit off, we need to think about balance, especially restoring digestive balance. And that is where Nature's Way Restore Probiotics can help. Carefully formulated with a range of probiotic strains and strengths, plus an added prebiotic. Nature's Way Restore Probiotics are based on the latest understanding of the role our microbiome plays in supporting not just digestive health, but our general health, our well-being, and immune system. With a daily health, a triple strength 30 billion, advanced digestive care 50 billion, and Ultimate Care 100 billion strength, the Restore Probiotic range helps support your well-being by maintaining gut health with live good bacteria. Help restore your digestive balance with the Nature's Way Restore Probiotic range.